Hi, I'm Rebecca with OrganizeMe, and I am so excited to show you our very latest, greatest showstopper, which I know you're going to love. You are going to get 4 large bins. Think about how much storage you're going to get. Not only that, we have new and exclusive colors and new and exclusive designs as well. You can see we have the classic black. We also have this beautiful blue. I personally love the bright, cheerful yellow, the always popular gray we have right here, a soft, delicate lavender, and then we have a fun teal as well. Look at the designs we have for you today as well. They play really, really well together, and you can see all together it looks like you've got a beautiful closet system just like that. Here is going to be our geometric maze. Then we have that chevron, it's always popular. This is going to be the quadrifoil, and then we have a classic solid color as well. So why have these been so popular at TSC? Let me show you. Each one of them is going to hold and stack 40 pounds. So with today's configuration, you're going to get 160 pounds of storage. This is how it's going to come to you. It's going to be flat packed, just like this. So when you're not using it, it's flat packed, just like this, taking up no space at all. When you are ready to put it together, it couldn't be easier. You're just going to open it up and pop it up. Do you see that? This is going to be the steel frame that allows you to stack the storage. You put it right into the corners, couple seconds, and you're good to go. Now, this one storage unit has every single feature and benefit you could ever want. My personal favorite is that front entrance. It is a game changer because now, no matter where you're storing this, up high, doesn't matter. I have entrance from the front. But we wanted to make sure you also have that classic top entrance. So now you can get to your stuff 2 different ways. And you hear that? It's a great oversized zipper that rolls very easily. We also wanted to make sure that you knew exactly what was inside your storage bins. So you had that front peekaboo window, and also a side peekaboo window with very durable, strong PVC. And then on this side, we gave you a labeling window so you can name exactly what is in each of your storage units. It's made out of 600 denier polyester. What does that mean? It's really durable, really strong, but yet it's still breathable. So everything inside is going to smell fresh, never musty, never mildewy. Also, you know that this is dirt resistant and stain resistant, but most importantly, water resistant. So go ahead, store it in your basement, store it in the garage. If it rains, if there's a leak, you don't have to worry. You just have to go in, excess water, and when you open it up, you can see that protective barrier kept it good and safe. So again, remember, each one of these is going to give you 40 pounds of storage. 40, 40, 40, 40. And it's stackable. So I never have to move the first one, the second one to get to the third or the bottom one. I am able to have access whenever I want it in seconds. So now you know why these have always been so popular. I know now you're going to love our new configuration and our new design.